for being here.
Thank you, Superintendent Salah. Please give it up to the band for that great performance. I so appreciate the opportunity to be here today. Good morning, Eagles. Give it up for you. After starting as state superintendent in August, I've tried to visit as many schools as possible, from the UP to the Indiana border, from one Great Lake to the other. Lakeland High School was chosen as one of U.S. News & World Report's best high schools in Michigan and the nation. That's a big achievement. Give it up for your school. This recognition reflects your school culture and all the time and effort you have put into your education and your academic careers. I know the dedicated educators here at Lakeland High School strive for nothing less than excellence. Excellence in every classroom and for every student. I know that by following the Lakeland High School example, all of our schools in Michigan can achieve the same excellence. I want to applaud all of you, students, staff, parents, administration, board, and community for the tremendous effort associated with this great achievement. Continue the good work. You've made the State Board, the Michigan Department of Education, and me proud.